I was with a few pals of mine, and some of whom had voted Tory, some of whom used to vote Labour.
Sure.
Pretty much all of whom were now voting for reform.
Good Lord.
Right? And it really appalled me. But then I realised that what Labour's doing is that he particularly, what he does, which repulses me, is that he's absolutely ruthless with his own party. He's willing to boot out anyone, yeah? But he's a coward when it comes to the country. The people that hated him from all sides, they all said the same thing. They said, I hate him because I think he's being a racist. They hate him because they think he's faking racism to get me on side.
So that's the Reform voters.
The Reform voters are saying, we don't believe him.
He's not a real racist. We want
He's
the
not a
real
proper
deal.
racist.
We want full fat racism. We don't want this racism zero that Keir Starmer's offering up. So he can't win.
Yeah.
And which means go down fighting for what you believe in. But how can you go down fighting for what you believe in if no one knows what you believe in?